I don't know how it feels to be an orphan, because I was privileged enough to have my parents and not to be an orphan. But for those who are orphans, I can't even imagine how does it feel that you don't have family. And sometimes we also feel in friendships or even in relationships that we are like orphans. We don't belong there. We don't matter. But today I want to encourage you to know this. The day you gave your heart to Jesus Christ, the day you bowed down before the Lord and said, God, here I am. I, I acknowledge you as my Lord and Savior. From that day, you are no longer an orphan. You are now part of the biggest family you can ever imagine, of the greatest kingdom you will ever live in. So you are not an orphan anymore. You are now adopted, and you are now a son and daughter of the living God.